Farid is here. Today I would like to unboxing this beautiful fountain pen. I find it on AliExpress. It's Majohn and it's a copy from Mont Blanc, Hemingway. And today my review, it's about for painting and drawing, not for like calligraphy. It comes with this box and the using catalog, and the pen itself, it's here. I just want to show you. I'm trying to make close for the nib. It's extra fine nib. I believe from my seeing it's a fine nib, not extra fine. But let's see. I'm trying to show you it's extra fine. I hope you see it. Extra fine nib. And I would like to try this one for my urban sketch or something. So let's see, let's measure it. So it's like 12 centimeters, 0.3 milli. It's almost like, 13 millimeters. Let's say 13, 18 millimeters. And the nib, it's number 6 because, I don't find the other nib, number 8. So that's the pen itself. I'm zooming in. It's my first time to unbox and review something. It's not my thing, but I say let's try it. YouTube suggests that for me, so I'm taking this stuff here. It's 24 gram, 0.3 without the cap, and it's 34.3 gram with cap. Let's record this because I would like also to see how the weight after inking. So it's 34.3 gram. So like what you see here, I would love to find the nib number 8, and the only thing I noticed that they put too much to turn on, but the finishing, it's perfect. Comparing the price, it's just like 50 bucks, 50 Canadian bucks. In USA dollar I believe it's less. So the clip, it's very nice, it's middle, and the body here, it's acrylic resin. Hi Mango, this is Mango, and saying hi for everyone. Okay, so let's us talk about the piston itself. The piston, it's That's how you feel it. And I would like today to ink it. That's what I use in my urban sketch. Islami. I am not sponsored by any of these brands, but I would like to just make small review, and then I will do painting. The thing I like about the nib itself, it's benign, and here the weight after inking it's 35.5 gram, which mean almost 1.2 grams with inking. That's beautiful and very nice weight for sketching. This is how it's look after inking. The only thing as I told you, like this, the ink, you have to be very patient and slow while you turn the piston, and then let's try it for painting. Here is my everyday sketchbook, and I would like to do some just quick painting. It's worked very nice for now. If you are just like watching for the pen itself, I almost done. I would like to continue this, and I will fast it in the end. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like my channel, don't forget to give me subscribe. Thank you so much, and wish you very lovely day. So I do this very quick sketch from my daily sketchbook, and it's a scene I saw yesterday in Victoria. It's like Mill or Bay Center or something like this. And yeah, the work is very good and highly recommended. I don't find any issue, and here's my signature. It's work very smooth, and today 6/10/2024. Hope that you liked it and enjoy my review. Thank you for being with Farid from Watercolor. Please don't forget to support me and give me